I'm Bill Swartz. I'm the National Sales Manager for Laser Shot. We're here at SHOT Show 2019. We're displaying some of our finest training simulators, one of them being the SimRange Pro LE package. Also have the MMTS here. Training simulator is the most efficient way for law enforcement agencies to get proper training, which includes judgmental training, deadly force training, escalation training, de-escalation training. It's an easy way to continue to improve your officers' conduct out there on the streets when dealing with others. Training simulators are one of the most efficient way in the world to get proper training to law enforcement agencies, both in this country and other countries.